In this lesson, you're going to learn what a contactor is. Let's say you have a lamp that you want to turn on. To do that, you need to connect it to electricity. Once connected to electricity, the lamp will light continuously. Now, if you want to turn the lamp on and off, what should you do? You can put a simple switch here, which allows you to turn the lamp on and off whenever you want. Now let's say you have an electrical motor instead of the lamp. To turn the motor on, you connect a three-phase power circuit to it. Now, if you want to be able to turn the motor on and off whenever you need it, just as you did for the lamp, you can add a switch here. This switch is similar to what you used for the lamp, but there is a small difference. The difference is that this is an industrial switch. We call this industrial switch contactor. A contactor is composed of two main parts: coil, or electromagnet, and contacts. When you connect power, or electricity, to this coil, the coil is energized and creates an electromagnetic field around itself. This field causes the contacts to close, which allows the current to flow from source to load. So the contactor functionality is very simple. When the coil is energized and an electromagnetic field is created, the contacts will be closed. We've added a button here that you can push to close and open the switch. But we have no button for the contactor. So how could you demand the contactor to close or open? You can do this by connecting the contactor's coil to a PLC output or any other type of controller. Here's what you can do for the PLC to be able to energize the contactor's coil. First, place a simple switch here and connect it to the PLC input. On your computer, write a program for the PLC that determines when the button is pressed at the input. The code will send an electrical signal to the contactor's coil at the output. When you're done writing the program, you need to download it to the PLC. Doing this allows the PLC to know exactly what you want it to do, because now it has the program. Now when the button is pressed, the PLC sends an electrical signal to the contactor's coil. The coil will be energized, creating the electromagnetic field that causes the contacts to be closed and the power to reach the motor.